Not loving your progress. What are you saying? But we love your vocal range. Give it up for the Muslim friends, okay?
Ladies and gentlemen, right about now. How should I explain this, man? Introducing to you the man who makes your medulla oblongata go into creative thinking. Ladies and gentlemen, comedian, MC, and host of today, Brian B.
Wonderful, thank you so much. I didn't expect that. Dan, thank you so much. Wow, this is so amazing to be loved by also the ladies that are here. Like, tell me that you meant it. Just tell me that you meant it. Just tell me that you meant it. So I'm going to be saying some things, and then we'll talk una reply na if you relate or if it has happened to you. Okay? Na kama haikurelate tunasema okay? Let's try it. Sawa. First off, kama umejipata ukichukua peg za watu wa up floors, ukapata peg imeanguka hapo chini wakachukua, say kama umekaa hapa tu, it's a Lent season for the Catholics. It's a Lent season na ujalipa rent, say ni Lent na ujalipa rent. Kama uko hapo uko katika msimu wa kufunga na nyumba yako piko karibu kufungwa, say okay, tunatabika. Kama umeipenda mtu asiyekupenda, kama umeithamini mtu ambaye hakuthamini, say we've been hurt. People are suffering. You are speaking out. You are publicly speaking. Kama uko na mtu na vile unamuona haki ya kupendi, say
We appreciate culture, okay? And if you are struggling to be slim, I have a solution for you. Be a friend to a Muslim friend. Ili Muslim. Imeweza hiyo. Every community can help us. Think about the Merus. Do we have Merus in the house? Tuko hapa. Ameru tuwekuo. Tuko ndani ya nyumba.
Morume.
Sasa nataka, I want us to observe a moment of silence. Moment of silence. Marians are known for one thing. Just be silent. I think you can hear them chewing. Ukizinyamaza vizuri unasikia tu Wameru wakichew. Hata wakiwa uko mbali, like realistically. If you just listen. Sikia wasi wanatafuna bado. They can really be used to chew corruption out of Kenya. Can be really used. Make use of these people. The Kisses. Are the Kisses in the house?
Raki.
Are the Kisses in the house?
Raki tu. Wago hapa.
We know that the greatest runner katika Kenya ni nani? Nani anakimbia sana? Omanyala. Yani yule mtu na fast foods hivi. Like that. So Omanyala could be the fastest guy in this nation, but I want to prove you wrong. He might not be the fastest. The Kisses might be the fastest people that we have in this country. Ask me why. Lakini I'll tell you why. Ni sababu hizi races zinafanyangwa mchana.
What is it? Exactly. Night runners.
Kwani how you thinking, guys? How have you taken it? Mbona mna overthink?
Solve the puzzle.
Anyway, wonderful. So let's appreciate every culture represented here in this house. Begin makofi. And Kenya is such a good country. Do you love Kenya? Yeah. Like yani too, even people from outside, people from Burundi, Rwanda, unapata tuzia coffee huku nje, they are doing business in Kenya. We've welcomed very many people here in Kenya, and it's a good country, it's a cozy country. If at all you just try and look at the good things that are happening in Kenya, sindio? Alafu, na pia wasudi wamekuja. Ndio, also the Sudanese are here, our tall relatives. Like, can we really tolerate them? But they are good guys. They are good guys. As many as of a similar opinion that they got that joke, say I.
I.
Okay, the eyes have it this time.